Andra, Chairman Wontumi Ekotena Good Evening Ghana with Paul Adom Otre. Na ensembia wode etu dwano etiefo Maria Hoyer because someone who is also an aspiring businessman means to say you be a businessman so na say you better also subscribe and click the notification bell on so we hear the latest news be about one sa ebeka 2013 2012 2013 hono na Chairman Wontumi one the Chairman Wontumi we know now em say that time no na wonyan fa ne ho enko share regional MPP politics musa until he was seen as a businessman by a lot of people. Chairman Wontumi at the chilling story be about Bontin and Senia Sebin Preduasa John Dramani Mahama at the Boapayo essay Nejuma etifo nenye easy. Now I am saying this Asema Chairman Wontumi canon. It is very sad. If it is true pan the natural say Mahama wanya de na say nya the crane so a natural say a frame and a Chairman Wontumi will frame me ato John Mahama so. But I'll just give you the story and then you guys will decide on whether it is true or not. Was in 2013 or no Chairman Wontumi no na were large scale mining. And galamsey large scale mining. Na mining na no ye no na wo documents and the papers bia e ma ne ho kwan se wonye mining. It just like Newmont ne Ash Gold mo or no so ne company near friend Hanson mining of Sedan. It was done on large scale. Wo hwe Ghana ha say wo mo no produce gold pa na top 5 the company no e ka ho bi. Na I say he was making a lot of money. A single day now we're making $1 million. Just a single day. Just a single day. He was making $1 million in just a day. So he was making a lot of money. It was a one day we were and now we receive a call. We receive a call a day time na Mahama and na abetena so fresh because 2013 now we know Mahama na no a president. It was we receive a call no na obi ka tene say President Mahama ebe say wo hia na saa time no na wanankwan so a wo kɔ site na edwumem bebi a wo to gold no wo kɔ site e wo ho nti no wo ka say oh sisi ade ma ye busy na ye rescheduling na membe hia no at that time e na wo mo pene ye nti wo wa na ka tene say another day a wo mo hyehyɛ no ye ka tene say President Mahama e wo Tamale opese wo hia ena waka say okay into no Chairman Wontumi wako far flight ena tese woko hia Mahama e wo Tamale woko hia Mahama e wo Tamale regional ministers residence wako ho no ena ohun say nkrofo bebre at table so Mahama nso tena ho ena Mahama de document bi ato nanim say document here ono Chairman Wontumi no wono Chairman Wontumi ne company ho papers nia na Mahama de ato wono Mahama nanim na tese ye de wono Chairman Wontumi asem abeto Mahama anim ena Mahama ene Chairman Wontumi bon komo no Mahama bisa ne say na oh young guy because wono Chairman Wontumi o say that time now we did 36 he was very young and he was extremely rich no be already 36 I will make you $1 million just a single day there who was ka just see hona Mahama de tu nenim say na wo ade ba ne say na utumi benya skasa e ba ne say na you no katen say oh I'm a legitimate businessman I do mining wa wo check your documents the way hu ne say enye fake papers na me de ye adwuma wa wo ministers and the sign na ye ma me ye adwuma no eno ne say ma Chairman Wontumi ka che Mahama eno say okay Mahama ka che ne say opese Chairman Wontumi no eboa no in the sense once a politician say ya no mo pe businessmen no mo support you mo what you say wo pe businessman e bia wo be ye campaign and no ye politics ni nia yeska na businessman na support no nti Mahama hwehwe mu a wo hu sika Chairman Wontumi e make no no ka Chairman Wontumi say me pese wo support me support me e wo me political ambition no ono Chairman Wontumi so since that time he was very young and rich nti na wo ferry obia na wano Chairman Wontumi sa ata me woni trim se wo pese wonya skapa na wonya freedom e was all joining MPP because ono be bia yetete no wono yetete no I think Bantama MPP mu ne yɛtete no wɔ nti ɔno chairman wontumi ne tiri mu nea na wɔyɛ MPP ni nti Mahama bɛka sɛ on support no no bɛda ne NDC ni no ɛna ɔse ɛhɔ no wɔka kyɛ Mahama straight ahead sɛ Mahama yɛ mesrɛw ɛne deɛ nyɛ possible menyɛ NDC ni ɛna Mahama ka ten sɛ okay no problem ɛna Mahama ka sɛ ɔbɛsan so afrɛ no for meeting na wama chairman wontumi atrɛ no man ne nani so ate ase ɛna chairman wontumi ka sɛ no problem ɔbɛkɔ so sɛ one day and no frɛ no ɛna wɔkɔɔyɛ ɔno de wonim sɛ osisi ade there's nothing wrong because ne dwuma wɔyɛ no wɔwɔ papers bibia yɛ legitimate nti one day bi wɔ hɔ wɔbɛtia ne sɛ wɔbi wɔbɛn Mahama afrɛ wɔ no chairman wontumi akyɛ ne sɛ chairman wontumi wo company no Mahama sɛne nkrɔfo akɔ hɔ sɛ wɔn nkɔ sɛsɛ wonyama shut down wo company no no say na say me ni no twindwe ya ho say Mahama ka say won be supporting na work say won supporting ni nti Mahama ko domo ehu say won no chairman wontumi ka or political ambitions wo person wo be dane chairman ema MPP no say en de sa de a won pene iti ye born as trace no ka say eno sha say wo frefrem ko fa wonim sa time no na minister wo hwe sa man ne nsem so no Inisa Fuseni or friend no na Inisa Fuseni ka so don't worry bibia ni ho ebesi na bibia na ne company no wo no na ewo western region so time so western region na police penny a water region na no Kofi Boakye DCOP Kofi Boakye nti okọ western region ho de ne papers no ekoma Kofi Boakye trend se Kofi Boakye we na matio yɛsɛ nkrɔfo bɛsɛ me company no na so hwɛ me papers no boni bi anim because onu susu sɛ Kofi Boakye police ni penyi nti obi ke bia ma no wɔsi odu wa na Kofi Boakye ka trend point blank sɛ chairman wontumi forget it is gone don't go there wo kɔ hɔ a yɛbɛkum wo kɔ wo company bebi a wo company no wɔ sisi a yɛbɛkum because na Kofi Boakye sanse wo ye police penyi ni nti no no so nya information sɛ yɛ kɔ akɔ chairman wontumi company no ɛna otu chairman wontumi fo se mo nkɔ hɔ ɔkɔ hɔ a yebeku no ne kra chairman wontumi ankɔ hɔ nti ne workers na ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛse security fo no kodu hɔ no wɔ mo kunkun chairman wontumi workers ni bi chairman wontumi story na ɔka ho ɔmo kunkum ne workers ni bi that time no ɔwɔ excavators baako 500 wɔ mo CG ni na bebia na ɔman ne company no wɔ mo wɔ room bia wɔ mo to gold na wɔ mo ko keep gold no ɛto wɔ che ase Mahama nkrofo ni wi a gold ni na etu wono de sende wo kasafa Mahama ho a eya man nkrofo ho ne se ebia eyotan ho no kwa na eya de kasafa Mahama ho na de Mahama e de aye no wono chema wontumi na bra bomu tema odi 17 years na ne maame free mu sa time no hu se he che se oyaw ato no sa time no hu se abrabo a waba no that day and a very very sad day, the saddest day in his life. Now time Mahama so the man you say the company we and the gold and the excavators two bibia call you know. That day was also a very sad day for him. You know who say hey ewiase way. Onu onya boni bia it was with the speed not just say before Mahama mo be background no we go say national security for ebe shada aye meeting a friend no be 4 times even after you be sign the company no na national security for aye meeting a friend no say hey we ye galamsey ni we ye no say me ye galamsey ni papers no eda mo anim nothing shows say me ye illegal mining me ye large scale mining ada na mo ka say me ye illegal mining because I say second time Mahama sanso friend na wo call no Mahama trend say the entia wo no Mahama be hu chema wontumi ne say wo bi ena de papers ne beto wo no Mahama enim say chema wontumi ne eye galamsey nti yen close down company we hu nipa ena no chema wontumi ka tre Mahama say Mahama I at least work school me papers ne da we nimi wa wo minister ena assign ama me approval so nothing shows say me ye galamsey was say still vamos ser na ejuma just say na wono chema wontumi ya employ nkrofo be 5,000 to 6,000 womo nina ya momo juma seye ekotena afie just because of their greedy political ambitions. Just because omu hu say Chairman Wontumi no one day ebia wo de ne sika ebeba be support NDP nti etiefo ya rehosem na se me America no me tie story na me say so we ne krepa dia na che say John Dramani Mahama wanya de ba ko si nti sende what say Chairman Wontumi e kasa passionately about Mahama e kan semboni afa ne ho a from a point or from a place of pain wa fame just say na ejuma ntia e na wo kasa saa it was say assembly there up till now egusua e wo court because of person wo kwaje judgment debt say aban anhwe asheda ase na ejuma ama ne sika abono nti chale wo be bofo mpa na enye easy wo be bofo mpa na enye easy etiefo ya rahosem montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu me da ase